To every introvert, the act of discovering a loved one means doing the opposite of what you like most, blowing through another Netflix murder mystery series in fleece-lined sweatpants. But if you really desire a partner in crime docs, it means the feared putting yourself out there. Yes, it may suggest squandering a night in for a Tinder date who discusses financial investment banking all night long and never asks you a single concern. Here are 11 tips for dating if you're a reliable introvert. A date can too typically feel like a performance, or worse, an examination, that makes us freeze up, says Dr. Ellen Hendrickson, author of How to Be Yourself, Quiet Your Inner Critic and Increase Above Social Anxiety. It's better to accept it. It's most likely best that you have a basic gauge of what you're doing on the date so that you can suggest something else if it's not your ambience, like, state, a concert. I believe anything too loud and disruptive is simply going to result in you closing down more, states Dr. Your best foot forward is truly profiting from your strengths, and it's being peaceful and reflective. However, if sitting down at a quiet bar with a stranger and making discussion feels impossible to you, you can go the opposite route and pick an activity to do together. Some distressed introverts swear by participating in an occasion, like a reading or a comedy show, because it offers an integrated topic of discussion afterwards, says Dr. Whatever it is, simply make certain it's something that'll make you feel comfortable. If your everyday look is a sweater and denims, you'll most likely wish to bypass statement lipstick and an open-back dress even if you believe it comes off as more confident. If you're focusing on how unusual you feel, it just ups the pressure. It's the very same as a task interview. You don't wish to use a brand new outfit and not understand if it's too tight or too short, says Dr. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.